In this video, we will talk about an amazing new exchange called BLEX. Alright, it's a decentralized exchange. In this video, I'll tell you what it is, how to use it, and also some amazing events they have planned for now. So let's get started with the video. First, a quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Alright, so now let's get right into this video. Like I said, in this video, we'll do a full review of BLEX. Tell you how to use it, tell you what it is, tell you what's special about it, because there are some things very special about it. And then we'll talk about their trading competition they have right now, because that's an amazing place, an opportunity for you to actually earn some decent reward. Alright, so we'll talk about that, but there's enough to talk about. Alright, but first of all, perhaps the most important thing is that you should know that a link to actually see this exchange for yourself and to sign up will be down in the description. Alright, so definitely check that out. There will be a code you can use by us, which you should definitely do. But that's for a little bit later. First, let's actually talk about. Alright, so what BLEX is at the first glance, it is just another decentralized exchange. Alright, it is on Arbitrum, so you have to connect your wallet. It's a decentralized exchange, but you can do a lot with it. Alright, so what you can do is you can really use this for advanced trading. Alright, so here you can see the main overview. Here you can see the home page. So they have already done $30 million in volume. You can trade Bitcoin and Ethereum right now, but the exchange is rapidly expanding. They have their own token, which you can earn yield on right here. As you can see there, if you hold the token, which is already a great hold if you think this exchange is going to do well. You can also still gain 13% APR on that. But if you go, and here you can see the referrals. Alright, so here you can enter our code, which will be down in the description. So check that out. But if you go to trade, only things you need to know is you can go long or short. So you go long if you expect the price to go up, or you can go short if you expect the price to go down. Alright, so you can very easily enter what you want to, like for example, you can set the size of the trade you want to take, how much you want to pay for that. You can set the leverage. You can actually use leverage up to 100x or anything in between. And right now, like I said, you can do a market order. You can do a limit order. So for example, if you would like to short from, let's say 37,500, then you put in 37,500 right here. And then under advanced, you can also set your stop loss. So for example, 38,000 and your take profit, for example, at 36,500. Also with keeping leverage. And then you can just easily set the trade. The only thing now you have to do, you've already done the trade, or at least you set it up. Now you just need to fill in how much you want to trade, so the position size, and that's it. Then you can just open the trade, and there it is. And it's all decentralized, easy to use, easy to close once it's open right here. You can also see all of your orders, all of your limit orders you have. So I would definitely recommend you to try out this exchange, because like I said, it's a decentralized exchange. So right now, how it actually works is that the price is being fed into the system by Chainlink, and all of the users around BLEX can actually earn more yields as well, because they are the ones providing liquidity for the trading. Alright, so it's really focused on bilateral users, as you can see. It has a very, well to use web interface, but also a mobile interface. Like I said, there are liquidity pools from which you can actually, earn yield. And apart from that, it's better than GMX, which is a competitor, because there are rich trading pairs, multiple orders you can use, and less loss. Alright, so now let's actually talk about the trading competition that they have gotten going on. First of all, before we talk about the trading competition, what it is, how much you can win, which is obviously, you want to know that, I understand. But before we dive into that, I do want to tell you how to prepare. Alright, so you can, for example, already set up a MetaMask wallet. You can already configure the Arbitrum network, which you have to use to trade. And then apart from that, some things you should know, you can easily enter via the website. Alright, so the links, like I said, will be down in the description. Go to the competitions, which you can find here at the top. I'll quickly show you. You go to more and then competitions. Then you can easily join. Alright, so that's how you actually join. But apart from that, you can already put some money into that MetaMask account. You can already configure the Arbitrum right now, just after watching this video. And then you can already get started trading as well, because the activity time is from the 17th of November till the 7th of December. So you still have time to trade as well. But now let's actually talk about the competition itself, alright? Because there's actually a lot you can win with this. And it all depends on how much volume you make. So right now, total volume is already $1 million. And as you can see, right here, the amount you can win, and you win money if you're in the top 50 of total trading value on BLEX, which is very achievable if you're a trader. And it depends on how much money is being traded. So right now it has just begun. The volume is already over $1 million, which you can all follow here on this page. You can also see the leaderboards right here. But in the end, if it's over $3 million, the first person can win $540. Apart from that, if it's over $10 million, the first person wins $2,400. So there is a lot to be won. And then if it's over $25 million, the winner will will win $7,500, which is a lot. It all depends on the volume that's made, and it all depends on your rank, alright? So you should do some good trading, alright? Get some good rewards while also creating some volume for the exchange, just trading a lot or trading a high position size, and then you can actually win great prizes. Now, there are some rules. So for example, you need to trade within the time that the event is actually happening, of course. Rewards will be issued within 7 working days after the event. The trading volume that's actually included is only futures trading. You cannot spam, and if you have any questions, you can actually contact the admin via Discord or Telegram. So this trading competition is very interesting, alright? Like I said, it's a new exchange, it's easy to use, it has potential, and by participating in this, not only will you actually get to know the exchange, know what's good about it, and if you would like to use it, but you can also gain some amazing rewards, alright? So definitely check it out. Like I said, our code will be down in the description. Use that to actually sign up, use that to trade. And apart from that, all the information, all the links will be down in the description, including their socials, so you can actually stay up to date on the trading competition. So check that out and have fun and stay safe trading. For now, thank you for watching and listening. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments with questions you might have missed, and subscribe to our channel.